सामान्य मनशांच्या बँकेने तसेच विमो कंपनीन दवरिल्लें भांडवल अदानी कंपनीन लुटला हाची चौकशी मोदी सरकार करिना जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन निर्मला सीतारामनान लेगीत हो घोटाळो मान्य करपाक तयार ना। या सगळ्या वयल्यान भाजपा जुमला पार्टी कशी ते परत एकदा उक्ताडार आयला अशें म्हणीत दक्षिण गोंयचो काँग्रेस फाटल्यान सोमारा धरणे आंदोलन केलें। अदानीच्या अर्थीक वेव्हाराची चौकशी करपाची मागणी ह्या वेळार काँग्रेसीच्या कार्यकर्त्यांनी केल्या।
I don't understand how this can be called as a company matter when there are public sector's bank. Their money is involved in this. They have invested, LIC has invested, SBI has invested in Adani. And Adani has lost almost 75% of his wealth. And they are saying this is a company matter. If Adani falls, if there's a high chance that the public's money also is going to fall with Adani. So I want to ask the finance minister and the prime minister also, who both are very quiet on this matter. There is no investigation and SEBI has not even started any investigation yet. The finance minister is calling this a company matter on what basis? Public sector's money is involved in this and how is she calling it a company matter? Hindenburgs report is saying that this can be the largest corporate scam in history and everyone is so quiet on it.
We are here to condemn what's going on and make people aware of what we are losing. We have almost lost, SBI has lost 27,000 crores. जे आमचे गरीब लोकांचे पैसे हे आज आम्ही एज्युटेशन करता हे लोकांक अवेअर करपाक कित्याक जे आमचे लोक SBI तशेंच LIC पॉलिसी हे आमचे लोकांचे गरीब मनशाचे हे आमचे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट कॉर्पोरेट एशियन टोल हे आमची एडवांटेज घेवन गव्हर्मेंट ही जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी जुमला पार्टी हे क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्टांक हेल्प करता।